students, now in this video we will start our first topic, that is logic. The first topic of our discrete maths, that is logic. The logic is a very useful topic. Every student should learn this topic, as it is useful. Already I had taught to you, as it is useful in programming, to check the programs are correct or not. In programming, also in artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence, you know, we need it in reasoning. Artificial intelligence. In relational algebras and relational calculus. Etc. The first topic in logic is that the prepositional logic. Now, the question in your mind that what is prepositional logic? So, before going towards the prepositional logic, we should learn what is meant by preposition. What is a preposition? Now, in English language, we talk about assertions, sentences, questions, orders, and so on. What is preposition? So, first of all, it is an assertion. I can say an assertion is a statement. Other than, let me specify that, other than questions and orders. It is a statement other than questions and orders. A preposition is, now let me write the definition of preposition or a meaning of it. A preposition is an assertion which is either true or false, but not both. It is either true or false but not both. That is, you must be able to associate a truth value with an assertion. Now the truth value, it will be true or false. True will be denoted by T or 1, while false will be denoted by capital F or 0. These are the notations for it. Truth value is either true or false, as the preposition is an assertion which is either true or false but not both at a time. True is denoted by capital T or 1 and false is denoted by capital F or 0. Now here we are using the notations capital T and capital F, while in some of the books the notations are used 1 and 0 also. Now let us see some examples so that you can decide whether that statement or that assertion is the preposition or not, and some of the examples for which are not prepositions, for them also we will see the examples. Now examples. Whether these are prepositions or not, and if not, why are not. Let me explain you one by one. So first example, let me take 4 is a prime number. Now clearly this is a statement, means this is an assertion, but you know 4 is a composite number, so it is not a prime number, so the truth value for this one is false. So let me write, it is assertion with truth value is false or capital F. Now second question or the second example, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Clearly we know the addition of 3 and 3 is 6. So this is also assertion or a statement, and what is the truth value of it? It is true statement, so its truth value is true, with truth value true, capital T. Then the third one, the moon is made of cheese. Now this is an assertion, but it is false. It is assertion or a statement with truth value what? False, means capital F. Now next one, suppose x plus y is greater than 4. Now this statement is given to us. Now this statement is depend on the values x and y. Now suppose I will take x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So what does this give? Here we get 2 plus 2 is greater than 4, that is 4 is greater than 4. This is not an assertion, or this is is a false statement, or having a truth value false. Also, if I take x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, then this will give 3 plus 4 is greater than 4, that is 7 is greater than 4. Now this one is true, having a truth value true, because it is true statement, but as this doesn't have a unique truth value, that's why it is not an assertion. So this is not assertion or a statement, as it doesn't have unique truth value. It don't have a unique truth value. Then the fifth example, let me take x is equal to 3. Now here, if x is equal to 3, then the truth value is true. But if x is not equal to 3, that time the truth value is what's here? False. Means here also it is not a unique value. So, or this is true only when x is equal to 3, but if x is not 3, then it is always false. So this is also not an assertion. This is not assertion or not a statement. Now the next example, that let me ask a question. Are you living Now, clearly we had said that an assertion is a statement other than questions and orders. So, questions also don't have a unique truth value. So, it is also not an assertion. It is not assertion, as it is a question. It is a question. Then the next example, let me take, buy 4 books. Now this is an order. Same thing I will repeat again. An assertion is a statement but other than questions and orders. So it is also not assertion. It is also not assertion, as it is an order. So order and questions are not assertions, while the other things in which we can decide a unique truth value, those are assertions. And from all those examples we can say, now from all these examples we can say that not an assertion means not a preposition. Not an assertion means not a preposition. But in some special cases, or we can say not a statement means not a preposition. But in some special cases, the assertions are also not prepositions. There may be, or there can be assertions which are not prepositions. For example, let me write, this statement is false. This statement is false. Now, for this one, we cannot associate a unique truth value. In some of the cases, that statement may be true. In some of the cases, that statement may be false. So such a thing is, this is a statement but not a preposition. Means here we cannot associate its, or we cannot associate a unique truth value to it. So it is not preposition. Not a preposition, while it is an assertion but not a preposition. Such a thing is known as a liar paradox. This is called a liar paradox. Now we have to learn about prepositional variables. Prepositional variables. The prepositional variables denote an arbitrary preposition with unspecified truth value as P, Q, R. These are P, Q, R. We can assign and so on. We can assign the truth values to these variables, or let me say, these prepositional variables are prepositions also. We can connect them with logical connectives. There are several logical connectives and we will study 3 of them firstly, that is and, or, and, not. We will study and, or, and, not. Later on some more logical connectives we will see them also. But first of all we will see and, or, and, not. Simply I will write the definition of prepositional variable. A prepositional variable denotes an artificial preposition. Artificial preposition with unspecified truth values. Truth values. Okay. Now, in next video we will see these and, or, and not logical connectives with example as well as their truth table, and also if possible we will see the other logical connectives also. Thank you.